Bula Vinaka. Welcome to the Sova Ni Bula Quick Reference Guide app version for SOPD Dietitian. In this video, we will look at the following features: updating the patient queue, viewing examination results, entering dietitian's notes, and viewing the reading exhibition feature. To begin with, log into the Sova Ni Bula system and search for the scheduled patients. All patients scheduled for the health center visit can be found under Reminder. Tap on Reminder to begin. This will redirect you to the Reminder Appointments page. Here, you may view three categories of appointments: those that are due for appointment today, those that are due for appointment in a week's time, and those who have defaulted their appointments. From the Today's tab, you may view the patients that are due for clinic on the current day. Basic details to identify the patient has been given here. You will also see the queue number indicated as per the order of the SOPD numbers given to the patients upon arrival at the SOPD clinics. For each patient that has been checked in, there is a queue that will be displayed. This queue is color-coded to indicate which staff has already completed consultation with the patient. The color codes are as follows. Red indicates that the patient is yet to be consulted by that staff. Orange indicates that the staff is currently consulting that patient. Whereas green indicates that the staff has completed consulting that patient. You'll note that the diagnosis is also given underneath each patient's basic profile details. The primary diagnosis is indicated in red, whereas the secondary diagnosis is indicated in black. To check in the patient, you may use the search option indicated by the magnifying glass on the top right-hand corner, or you may scroll through the list and select the patient accordingly. From this appointment list, you'll notice that the first two patients have already been seen by the dietitian, as indicated by the queue icon. The third patient is yet to be seen by the dietitian, so we will select the third patient by tapping on the patient's basic details. Step 2. Select the patient to view patient's profile details. This will redirect us to the patient's full information profile. From here, you may view the patient's demographic details, summary and medical history, and contact information. You can also view their pen color as well as the next appointment date. Next, click on the menu option from the bottom of the tab. Step 3. View past medical records in the Records tab. From the taskbar at the bottom, click on Records icon. This will bring you to all records that have been entered on the current day by the nurse as well as the medical officer. You may scroll through and click on the View icon to view each note in more detail. Past records can also be viewed from here. To view specific records, you may filter out the records by tapping on the Filter button where it says "Click here to display the specified record." From here, you can view the past dietitian's notes. Tap the View icon to open the note. After reviewing the note, tap Done to close it. This brings us to Step 4, updating the dietitian queue and entering the dietitian's notes. Tap on the Menu tab beside Records from the bottom of your screen. Then update the queue by tapping on the dietitian icon displayed under the Checkout option. The icon will change color from red to orange, indicating that the patient is currently being assessed by the dietitian. The queue will also be updated in the appointment reminder. Next, tap on Dietitian's Notes. The notes have been given according to the ADIME format, which is nutritional assessment, nutritional diagnosis, nutritional intervention, and monitoring and evaluation. Enter the patient's nutritional status, macronutrient requirements, as well as any intervention and diagnosis that you have made. You may enter notes in greater detail such as nutritional status, 24-hour diet recall, drug-nutrient interaction, progress of previous diet plans followed, diet modifications, test statement for diagnosis, macronutrient requirements, and diet plan that has been given. You may also indicate if MI counseling was done, if health education session was attended, or if group therapy for MI was attended. You can indicate any food demonstrations given, as well as any sampled meal plans given and IEC materials given and explained. To view today's clinical records, such as triage and medication prescribed by the medical officer, as well as other notes, you may click on the two icons on the top right-hand corner. The first icon is the medication icon. Tap on it to bring up the current day's prescription records. This will help you to analyze if any diet modification is needed as per the drug-nutrient interaction. To view other records made by the medical officer, the physiotherapist, as well as the nurse, tap on the clipboard icon beside the medication icon. You may then tap on the view icon to open up the note for further viewing. Once you have reviewed the patient and entered all the notes, press confirm to save the record. We will now move on to step 5, reading an exhibition. Return to the main menu to view this. From here, tap on reading an exhibition. You will see various IEC materials given that will assist you to conduct nutritional counseling. Select the record that is relevant for your patient's nutritional counseling. You may go through these notes and conduct the counseling accordingly. We will now move on to step 6, where you will return to update the patient queue. Again, go to Reminder section and select the patient that you were reviewing. From here, we will tap on the menu icon. Next, tap on the Dietitian icon to update the queue. The icon will change color from orange to green, indicating that the patient has been seen by the dietitian. You may now return to the Reminders page to view the next patient. Thank you for watching. Vinaka.